Chevre, geb a kick of the tish. Geb a kick of the tish. Look at this. Look at this table set up over here. Chevre, we're out here tonight again with my good friend David.
Shalom Aleichem, Chaim.
David, since I made the last video here, my followers have been raving about the Art of Prime.
Oh, yes,
Art
it
of
was
Prime,
great.
the Art of
Yes,
Prime.
yes.
So we're back out here with you. What do you set up for us here?
Well, I'm excited to show our banquet prefixed dinner that we set up here so everybody could see what we actually serve, so they could visualize this more, you know.
So you're saying my followers could see what a prefixed menu table is, what a prefixed banquet table is.
Yes, let me explain to you what we have
Let's
here.
run through it.
Yeah, we have a cypress salad here.
Cypress salad.
We have Jerusalem artichokes.
Woof.
We have beef dumplings.
Those dumplings look good, man.
This is a meat platter. We have a skirt steak. We have a hanger steak. We have lamb kebab. We have chicken.
All different types.
We have the meze platter.
This is the meze platter?
Yeah, the surprise steak right here.
Surprise steak.
Vegetables. This again repeats. We have mushrooms with potatoes over there. Fresh garden salad. This is a table for 10. You also get a bottle of Jameson. You get a red wine, white wine.
And a Herzog. Kebab cake. Wow. So David, this is a prefix menu table for a Sheva Brochos.
Sheva Brochos, private events, birthdays.
Or just the guys want to get out.
Any gathering.
Wow. This is a table that you don't want to miss.
This is when you relax, you don't have to order anything.
You just have
your guests, they come in, they relax, you have a good time, and the service is amazing. We do everything in our power to make sure that the service is top notch.
David, you mentioned the service. That's something that my followers said that's A1. The ambience, the service, and the food's on top of all.
Yeah, we do everything we can, everything in our power to make sure that the service is good and everybody's happy, everybody's treated right.
Look at the couches, Kevin. You got to sit in a nice couch. The ambience is something unique. You don't have this anywhere, this ambience.
Yes, we get that a lot. Bro.
It's just a cool ambience. It's worse. People tell me they came from Motzei. I follow come from Motzei.
Motzei, Lakewood,
Manhattan even. Just for this ambience, Kevin. And the food tops it off. Look at this food, Kevin.
And we cater to all kinds of events, and we could build a menu to your liking. We could customize the menu to your event.
Nice. So let me go it over again. A birthday party, anniversary party, a corporate event, Sheva Brochos.
Sheva Brochos, birthday, private events, any gatherings.
Wow.
You could host at this place here. It's
look at this
warm.
Place. It's warm, it's cozy.
Yeah,
how about a Shabbos Sheva Brochos? If somebody wants to make a Shabbos, the meal's here. How about that?
Absolutely. We could do that. We could make all of that.
Kevin, did you hear that? Shabbos Sheva Brochos. Now, David, you have a specialty that most restaurants don't have. You're open Motzei Shabbat.
We open Motzei Shabbat and we have live saxophone.
Live saxophone.
Shabbat, where you could relax. If you're not hungry, you could sit down with your wife, relax, have a good time, maybe a drink, maybe dessert, and listen to beautiful music.
Really?
What else can you want after Shabbat?
Kevin,
it's a good start.
I love that. So you're saying just come and chill Motzei Shabbos.
Relax, yes, have a good
live
time.
Music, Simply Moshel, this is for you. Just a live saxophone playing over here, chilling. Take a drink, take a dessert.
Absolutely.
You have a fish menu too.
7:30 the music starts. We have fish, we have everything on the menu. Chaim, by the way, turn around. Want to show you something? This is right here, Chilean sea bass. Motzei Shabbat, very nice, light, amazing. Brick chicken, hanger steak, delicious.
Wow, so for Motzei Shabbat you have a full fish menu?
Absolutely.
Okay, go serve it to you. This looks great. Listen, look at the smile, the way this face. This is just, this is amazing here.
Amazing.
Can we get my kick of the way to bring to those noch Sachen? What is it, short ribs?
Short ribs.
Wow.
Chaim, and to top all of this off, after everybody finishes eating, they get this wonderful dessert platter.
Wow.
Everything is made here. The ice cream is made here. The sorbet is made here. This is a pistachio roll with berries inside, chocolate mousse, and a brownie.
My mouth is watering just from seeing this. David?
They also get coffee, tea, espresso, cappuccino.
Look at this.
You ready to eat this, Chaim?
I don't know. This is just too much. I tasted this last time I was here. It was out of the world. This pistachio,
yes, it's amazing.
Like Dubai, the crunch.
It's amazing. Chaim, let's go to the bar. I'm going to show you our bar. A few drinks.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Wow, David, nice bar.
Oh, thank you. We try.
What do you got today in the bar?
Drinks. We have Tel Aviv.
Tel Aviv, I like that. The blue and
beautiful, huh?
blue and white, Tel Aviv.
Tel Aviv or Miami, but Tel Aviv sounds better. This is espresso martini.
Espresso martini, Chevra. You want to boost that kick.
And this is a biscuits margarita.
Biscuits margarita. And if somebody wants to just come in for a drink, I see you have a nice just bar area. I mean, this is cool.
They could hang out, relax at the bar, have a few drinks. Saturday, listen to a saxophone.
So I love that vibe. Motzei Shabbos.
Shabbat,
You don't have to buy any food. Just come out here.
Nope.
Have a drink. Sit down over here at the bar.
Relax,
enjoy the music.
Hang out, relax.
Wow, simply waiting for you. Guys are waiting for you to come out here.
Yeah. And by the way, anybody that comes here and mentions Chaim Perlowitz gets a free drink.
Woof, Chevra, you heard that? Mention Chaim Perlowitz for a delicious free drink.
Come, let's go outside. I'm going to show you the outside. We have a free valet. So that way nobody has to look for parking. We have valet, especially in this cold weather. Who wants to park a car?
Nobody.
You come in, you drop your car off, you go inside the restaurant.
Chevra, free valet parking. Come out here. Open Motzei Shabbos, open every night. The address is
943 Coney Island Avenue.
943 Coney Island Avenue by Webster Avenue, right next to 18th Avenue, at the tip of Borough Park, the tip of Flatbush, between Borough Park and Flatbush. Great for everybody.
Absolutely.
Chevra, Art of Prime. Make sure you come in and tell David you saw on the Perlowitz show.
Absolutely. And also, Yehiel Babad is our hechsher.
The hechsher, Chevra. Yehiel Babad, Tartag of hechsher. Beautiful Heimish hechsher. David, this hechsher is good for everybody.
Absolutely.
Wow. Chevra.
Everyone is welcome. Can't wait to see everyone. Come on.
Wow. Chevra, as my lechting tug, just to get warm over here by the fireplace a little. Woof. All right, David. Thank you, and have a great day.